Hello friends. Today, we would like to discuss the health benefits of juniper berries and offer you some recipes using them. These small, dark berries are not true berries but rather the female seed cones of the common juniper plant. Juniper berries are typically harvested from the common juniper plant, Juniperus communis, during the late summer and early fall months, usually from August to October. The exact timing of the harvest can vary depending on the specific region, climate, and growing conditions. Juniper bushes produce small green berries that develop and ripen over the course of several years. In their first year, the berries are small and green, and they gradually mature and change color over the following years. By the third year, the berries have reached their full size and have turned dark black-brown in color. Harvesting juniper berries involves picking the mature berries from the branches of the juniper plant. They are then typically dried to preserve their flavor and medicinal properties. Once dried, the berries can be used in various culinary dishes, beverages. For their potential health benefits, it's important to note that juniper berries should be harvested with care, as overharvesting can impact the natural populations of juniper plants and affect their ecosystems. Juniper berries can be consumed on their own or brewed into tea. Fresh juniper berries are generally safe to consume, but they are known for their strong and intense flavor, which can be quite bitter and pungent when eaten directly from the tree. The flavor profile of fresh juniper berries can be quite different from the dried berries commonly used in culinary and medicinal applications. In traditional culinary practices, juniper berries are often dried before use. Drying helps mellow out their flavor, making them more palatable and suitable for various dishes, beverages, and remedies. However, if you encounter fresh juniper berries and are curious to try them, you can do so in moderation. Keep in mind that the taste might be quite intense and may not be to everyone's liking. Here are some of the ways juniper berries are valued. Digestive health. Juniper berries have been used to alleviate various digestive issues such as stomachaches, bloating, gas, and indigestion. They are believed to help stimulate digestion and soothe discomfort. Diuretic properties. The essential oils found in juniper berries have diuretic effects, which means they can increase urine production and assist in removing excess fluids and toxins from the body. Antioxidant-rich. Juniper berries contain antioxidants that can help protect cells from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. Antioxidants are known for their potential to support overall health and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Anti-inflammatory. Compounds within juniper berries are thought to have anti-inflammatory properties that could help reduce inflammation in the body. Antibacterial and antifungal. Juniper berries contain essential oils that possess antibacterial and antifungal properties. They have been used traditionally to help fight off infections. Joint and muscle health. Juniper berry essential oil may be applied topically to promote better circulation and provide relief from minor joint and muscle discomfort. Respiratory support. Some practitioners use juniper berries to alleviate respiratory issues such as coughs and congestion due to their potential to soothe inflammation in the respiratory tract. Skin health. The essential oils of juniper berries are sometimes used in skin care products due to their antibacterial properties. They may help treat minor skin irritations or infections. Aromatherapy. The aroma of juniper berries is often used in aromatherapy for relaxation and stress relief. The scent is believed to have a calming effect on the mind. Culinary uses. Beyond their medicinal properties, juniper berries are also used as a spice in cooking. They add a unique flavor to dishes and are commonly used in recipes for meats, sauces, and marinades. Now it's time to provide you with a few healthy recipes using juniper berries. Juniper berry relaxation tea. Benefits. Relaxation. Juniper berries, combined with chamomile and lemon balm, create a soothing tea that can help calm the mind and promote relaxation. Digestive comfort. Juniper berries may contribute to easing digestive discomfort, while chamomile and lemon balm are known for their gentle digestive support. Sleep aid. Chamomile and lemon balm are often used to support better sleep, making this tea a wonderful bedtime option. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon dried juniper berries, 1 teaspoon dried chamomile flowers, 1 teaspoon dried lemon balm leaves, 1 cup hot water, Honey, optional, for sweetness. Combine the dried juniper berries, chamomile flowers, and lemon balm leaves in a tea infuser or teapot. Pour hot water over the herbs and cover to steep for about 5 to 10 minutes. Strain the tea into a cup. If desired, add honey for a touch of sweetness. Sip and enjoy the calming and relaxing effects of this herbal blend. Remember that juniper berries should be used in moderation, even in tea. Pregnant women, individuals with kidney issues, or those taking specific medications should consult with a healthcare professional before consuming juniper berry tea or any other herbal remedies. Juniper berry aromatherapy oil. Benefits: relaxation. Inhaling the aroma of juniper berry infused oil during massage or aromatherapy can promote relaxation and reduce stress. Muscle relief. The aromatic properties of juniper berries can help ease muscle tension when used in massage, providing relief from soreness. Circulation. Juniper berry oil can be beneficial for promoting better blood circulation when applied topically, aiding in overall skin health. Ingredients: quarter cup carrier oil, such as jojoba oil or sweet almond oil. 10 to 15 dried juniper berries. Crush the dried juniper berries slightly to release their essential oils. Combine the crushed berries with the carrier oil in a glass bottle. Seal the bottle and place it in a cool, dark place for about 1 to 2 weeks, allowing the oil to infuse. Strain out the juniper berries and transfer the infused oil to a clean bottle. Use the juniper berry infused oil for aromatherapy massage or as a soothing skin oil. Juniper berry scented sachets. Benefits: aromatherapy. Placing juniper berry scented sachets in your living spaces can infuse the air with a pleasant, natural aroma that can uplift your mood and create a calming atmosphere. Natural deodorizer. Juniper berries can help neutralize odors, making these sachets a great choice for freshening up enclosed spaces. Ingredients: muslin bags or small fabric squares. Dried juniper berries. Optional: dried lavender buds, rose petals, or other aromatic herbs. Fill muslin bags or fabric squares with dried juniper berries. Optionally, add dried lavender buds, rose petals, or other aromatic herbs to enhance the scent. Seal the bags or squares tightly, ensuring that the fragrant ingredients are enclosed. Place the sachets in drawers, closets, or other spaces to naturally scent the area. These recipes utilize the aromatic properties of juniper berries to create products that offer relaxation, mood enhancement, and a pleasant scent to your environment. As with any natural remedy, it's advisable to test a small amount on your skin before using the products more extensively, and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns or sensitivities. While juniper berries offer these potential benefits, it's important to exercise caution. They should not be consumed excessively or by certain groups of people, such as pregnant women, individuals with kidney issues, or those taking specific medications. As with any herbal remedy, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before using juniper berries for medicinal purposes. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Your support means a lot to us. See you soon.